Yo, what up, people? It's about that time again. As you guys remember, my wife's mom came in town. We celebrated about a week or so. Now it's my mother's turn to come in town. She just came in on a train. It's a 2.5-day trip. I'm here to pick her up. She's gonna watch the girls while me and my wife go to Cancun to celebrate her 13th anniversary. And then I'm surprising my mom and I'm taking her to Puerto Rico with the family. She's never been on a plane before. It's gonna be insane. First time on a plane, 65 years old, going to Puerto Rico. That's pretty dope. I'm excited to give that experience to my mom. Let's pick her up right now. Car. Well, I did have a blue car. What up, Ma? How was the trip? Awesome. I'm in California. Sure. We have someone to take her picture. So my mom wants to come to Subway. She got her sandwich. Someone said they liked my hat. It's her first day.
I do love the hat. Not like love.
And I told her, she said, have you seen the new one? I said, yeah, my daughter's Millicent on the show. She said, no way. So Jaidyn, you have a fan of Subway. You have to come say hi one day. Hey. Look at you. Hey. Your granddaughter, the star. So we were at Subway and the lady was like, oh, I love your hat. I'm like, thank you.
So is my teacher.
Oh, really? And then I was like, have you seen the new one? I'm like, yeah, Millicent's father. No way. I'm making Millicent sandwich. You better come say hi to my mommy. You better come say hi to my mommy. Say hi to my mommy. Hello.
I'm coming to get you. Here I come.
I'm beating my mom in beach buddy race. Oh man. So we just took my mom to Paramount. She took some pictures. We're trying to show her the billboard for iCarly, but they changed it up to the new Star Trek cartoon. Don't worry, we'll see something else another time. We'll make it work. Get a picture of Grandma. Going on the other side. You're gonna take off your mask? Alright, we're leaving the Grove right now. It was cool. My mom had some ice cream. We had a photo shoot. About to go home. What up, Triplett family? Welcome back to another episode on the Triplett Family Network. This time, it's my mother's birthday. She's back in town. We're taking her on a secret surprise trip to a never-before-seen adventure. She's gonna love it. She's never been on a plane. She's 65 years old. Never been on a plane. This is the first time she's gone on a plane. She said yes. You guys ready? You ready? Yeah. First time through security, and she got flagged, see? I don't know. We're trying to make it a very simple and easy transaction, but it ain't working like that. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, so we found out try to smuggle a water bottle. Apparently, they weren't having it. We just got through. I think our new gate has been changed. We're trying to keep this thing a secret as long as we can. She still has no clue where we're going. We have a layover, so the layover is gonna say a different destination. She'll find out in the morning.
We'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We'd like to help you get settled so we can be on our way as quickly as possible.
Handle it. This is it. Don't get scared now. It's not like the spider. You remember the spider? So when I was little, my mom went to an amusement park and it was that little, I don't know, and it went in circles and it kind of went up and higher and she was crying. And I was like, oh, my mom afraid of heights. Okay. In a bag. You've been traveling and still know where we're going. How was it? Not bad? Not bad. Could you do it by yourself? Still no? Time. We gotta get you off the train. That's right. Get up off of that train. You're about to find out soon. Alright, we was waiting on you.
Oh,
Are you ready to know where you're going?
I don't know. I thought Mexico, but it's not.
Nah, we just left Mexico. We ain't going back.
You
No.
missed Mexico in this line.
Nori said,
Can't drop them off.
Nori said if we just came back from Mexico, we're not coming to get you to go right back. You want to tell her, Jay?
So, we are going to Puerto Rico!
We're going to Puerto Rico.
Yes.
With your family? San Juan? We're going to Puerto Rico.
Just got on her second flight. She's a professional already. She's done one flight and that's the second one. And all in the same 24 hours. We told her where we're going. She knows we're going to Puerto Rico now. She doesn't know the resort. She doesn't know anything about the area. So it's still gonna be dope. My best friend Derek is meeting us out there. It's about to be a great trip.
Later.
I'm telling Ariana.
Something, baño.
You gotta go to the bathroom? She gotta go to the
That's the only
bathroom.
sentence I know. Because I forgot my Spanish stuff.
You gonna pee on yourself.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome home, family.
This is great.
It's your birthday trip. It's your birthday trip. Triplett Family Network.
So how do you say cosmetopolitan?
Oh my God, not like that.
How do you say it?
Did you look at the letters? Cosmopolitan.
What baby is this?
My brother.
All over the world.
Everywhere we are.
She says she's a baby now.
Alright, this place right here. Oh my god. Like, I'm just letting y'all know right there.
Huh?
Y'all-
What happened? What we
That
did?
place, bro.
Oh, it was bomb.
The stomach is just.
They said, let me
It's
tell
not
you how we
good.
do China over here.
What up, Triplett family? We just got to the beach. We are in Puerto Rico, Candado. As you guys can see, water. You want to get here soon?
I just heard him and said, yeah, do it.
I know.
How?
I was like, oh, she said yes. Guess we going.
I didn't marry.
It was contingent. If you would have said no, we wouldn't have came. So if you would have said no, we wouldn't be in Puerto Rico right now. It was all on you.
He did not.
We would have went to Catalina Island on Saturday, and that's it. Ain't no stopping me now. We're on the move. Yeah.
Oh, this one's good.
Hey, this is the winning one right here. That's what it is.
Oh God, it's so
Ooh.
loud.
I need you to get all bars.
I forgot how to do this.
You can put your bet.
Yeah.
The next day.
Alright, we just finished breakfast, brunch, getting them COVID tested real quick. So we are within guidelines of Puerto Rico. Thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button, leave a comment, hit the red subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video.